Hi everyone, my name is Shannon Ward. I'm originally from Wilmington, Delaware, which is why I'm familiar with Widener, and now I am residing in Raleigh, North Carolina. My past work experience is not in the social work field at all, so I'm new to this, so bear with me. I went to college, got my bachelor's in criminal justice, and graduated from Wilmington University in 2015 since I was living in the area. And then during my undergrad and after, I worked at a couple banks. I worked at Capital One and then I worked for JP Morgan Chase in their AML anti-money laundering field. I moved to North Carolina kind of on a whim just to get out of Delaware since it's so small. Everybody knows everyone there. I've got family all over the US, a sister in California, my mother's in Texas, so go Cowboys. And I'm super excited to start this program. Coming out of my undergrad, realizing that I didn't really want to be in the law enforcement field. I do have a passion for wanting to get drugs off the street and helping people and families that suffer drug addiction themselves or a family member who suffers from drug addiction. So I've got a real big passion for that, which is why I'm here. So super excited to get this started, even more excited for it to be over and start working in the field that I'm very passionate for. It's nice to meet all of you, and I look forward to listening to your videos as well.